Have you ever been driving down the road, and when you're driving on a smooth road, it's totally fine, but you get a bit of a rougher road and you get this annoying kind of, not really a squeak, but a rubbing noise and a vibration noise up in your door seams and so on? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what I've done to definitely reduce that noise, and I'm hoping eventually it can be eliminated. All right, I just am going to pull the mic off here, and hopefully you can hear this noise. It was way worse, and it's getting better all the time. Hopefully that worked. What's happened is this truck is 13 years old, and it's been sitting a long time, very low miles. And what I believe is happening and what I've seen in the past is these rubbers, they just kind of get stuck in place and they get squished down. And what I've been doing and what I've done in the past, and I haven't always used this brand, but is I use a silicone emulsion. And so in this one, I'm using a silicone emulsion. Now, they definitely are different, the different kinds of emulsions that bring rubbers back. And this one is a good one, but it does have some things you have to deal with when you're applying it and when you are done applying it. And what I'll do is I'll get this back into the into storage, and I will show you exactly how I put it on, this brand at least, and what you have to do to make sure that it isn't just plain ugly after. I've let this sit for a little bit and it's starting to get a white hue. Now, what I like to do, and I could be wrong, you can correct me if I'm wrong. What I like to do now is I just literally try to work this in with a just a rag and spend some time working it in. It's still going to end up with a white hue after this, and you'll have to go over it multiple times. And what I've been doing is leaving this soak, and I'll do it kind of once a week, trying to bring this thing back. Okay, this is sat a little bit, and you can see there's a white hue coming in again. Rinse and repeat. Do the whole process again, all the way around, even where you don't see the white hue. Walked away for a little bit, and just, it looks like I got it pretty good that last time. And if there's any other little spots, you're going to have to come in and wipe. And I mean, I'm sure there's lots of other options on how to soften weather strip. It would be great if you could share that. I'd like to try something else. Being that this cab is the third door style cab, I'm sure that it probably flexes a little bit more, and I'm probably not going to be able to get rid of all the noise. But before, you had to turn the radio up because it was so annoying in your ear. Yeah, so this is what I do. And if anyone has some better ideas or better suggestions or better brands, that'd be great if you could share it. We can help everyone get rid of those little tiny annoying squeaks. And thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps you, and you have a great day.